Good morning. Hopefully the camera works today. It already looks better in the viewfinder. I don't know. It was just, I think the white balance was too high on it. Did a whole video, walked 5 laps. No good. Couldn't use it. So we're using it now. I'm walking 3 laps today. I do 2 laps at night with Libby. But it looks like it's about ready to start raining as usual. So here we go, man. Let's walk. All right. Hearing all kinds of things back here at night. It's like somebody's partying or something. Dogs running back here. Millie is. Who knows? All right. Supposed to get some bad storms later. And I think the worst part's going to be east of us. So bad for them folks, good for us. But we'll just wait and see what happens. All right. Been real busy the last week doing that electrical. Man, I'll tell you, that's been beating me up. I bet I wasted 5 hours in there yesterday, all because of a used light. What are you doing, Tilly? You look like you're about ready to get in trouble. All right. Pretty windy out. Looks a little dark, guys. I'm gonna switch this off cinematic. Well, it just looks dark because it is dark. We'll deal with it. Dropped this GoPro the other day and it's just been acting weird. I gotta really keep an eye on it. Well, what are you doing, Miss Tilly? Yeah, you want to say hi to everybody? Yeah, you're something. All right. It's about 60 degrees. Temperature's supposed to drop. What in the name of Ebenezer Scrooge is going on here? What? Finally caught one of you little buttheads out here. Look at that. You got Clippy all drunk. Well, I'd say it's probably the other way around. Look at that. Y'all built a porch and everything. Clippy. Clippy. Oh. Who the heck are you? Man. I knew I heard some noise. Look at him. He's passed out stone cold. What are you sitting on, Clippy? Oh, brother. Alright. Well, while we got a gnome out, let me get some rules set. No loud parties at night. I don't know if you're the Papa Smurf or who you are. No loud parties. Is that clear? Thermal sickness teller's on you. We understood. Give me that look. Alright. Oh, I knew I heard noises out there. Old gnome, that came in the mail today. Somebody sent it. There wasn't any notes, but thank you, I guess. Come on, Tilly, let's go walk. All right. Figured y'all needed a laugh today. Get that old weed eater and get all this brush cut away from these trees. Every year I cut this stuff out. Every year it comes back. Privet. Birds are chirping. Alright, let's go ahead and put some music on. I'm out of words to say. The gnome party has just got me speechless. Here we go. All right, guys. Big trouble on that first lap, huh? Man, I guess you think you live by yourself and you really don't. It doesn't matter. There's always something going to be there with you. All right, guys, there's 3 laps. We'll get back to work in the cabin. Appreciate y'all coming along. We will see you the next time. Happy trails. What you doing, Waddles? Yeah, eating some worms. Libby, dogs don't eat worms, whatever they're eating. Fly larva. Yeah, you like that, don't you? What do you think, Miss Tilly? Dogs don't eat them. They just don't. What's your problem over there? Looking at... Hello, Miss Millie. What you doing? What you doing today? Yeah, you're silly. Well, walks over, Miss Rooster. What do you got to say? You're always in that biscuit. I already got you too.